Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete LinkedIn account permanently. Okay, so there is a many option you can temporary close your account. You can delete account. You can merge your existing account with the same profile. Okay, so there is a some reason you want to delete your account. Maybe you want to start new account, and maybe there is a okay. So let's start with the video. I will show in my desktop, but you can use, if you're using Android phone or iPhone, you can follow the same step. So let's start with the video. So first you have to log in with your LinkedIn profile. Just log in it, and here click on this down arrow and go to the setting and privacy. uh, it will bring you the next page, which is account preference and all. You will get all your data privacy and all. Okay, so here you have to click on the uh, account preference. In account preference, there is a you will have many options like profile information, site preference, and many more. So you have to click on account management. In account management, you can see you can merge account instead of delete. Okay, if you have many accounts with the same profile, you can merge. Okay, so it might be, you know, save your data and your connection. So if you want to temporarily close your account, it is like temporarily deactivate your account. Maybe nobody can search you on LinkedIn, nobody can message you, nobody can it is like you are not visible on LinkedIn for some time. Okay, so still if you want to delete your account permanently, just click on this close account. In close account, you will lose everything in your what you have in your account. So just click on it. So here you have to give the reason why you want to delete your account. So I just click on other, and just want to, you have to give here feedback. Whatever feedback you have, you just give just select the data, sorry, reason you I want to delete, and just click on next. And for deleting your account permanently, you have to enter your current password. Just click unsubscribe from LinkedIn email communication. If you want to unsubscribe for mail from LinkedIn, you can click here, otherwise leave it. Just enter your current password, whatever is that, and just click on close account. After that, within 30 days, maybe, I don't know what is the date, but it will show you how many days it will take to delete your account permanently. Okay, so that is how you can delete LinkedIn account permanently. Thank you for watching.